Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. We're working on the Selmer again. We're gonna bend the sides, install the linings and the corner blocks. So a bunch of handwork, really interesting stuff. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna try to keep these intros a little bit shorter, but I just wanna say, hey, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, please like, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Patreon. Hey, thanks Patreon guys. If you want access to all the plans for the builds that we do on the show here, join Patreon, $1 a month, and I'll give you all my Fusion 360 archetype files for that. So here we go, let's just get started and dig right into it. Let's start bending these sides. that went pretty well to me. It really looks great. Next time we got some really cool stuff. I'm doing some. As you know, on the Selmer, this is essentially a flat top instrument where we've pressed the arches into the carved braces. So to carve those braces, I'm setting up some jigs. We're gonna CNC carve our braces and press the top right into them. So it allows me a lot of control versus hand carving these braces. So I built a 3D model of the curvature that I wanted, cut the braces to that curvature, and then we're gonna cut them out on the CNC next time. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you can see a couple little previews of what's going on there. And thanks again for the Patreon people, and see you next time.